Are you a newcomer to the tech industry, looking to land your dream internship or full-time role? Look no further. In this video, I will share with you expert tips and strategies for breaking into the tech industry, as well as reveal a plethora of resources to help you discover and apply to thousands of tech companies and startups. From crafting the perfect resume to acing your interviews, I've got you covered. So sit back, grab a pen and paper, and get ready to take your first step towards a fulfilling career in tech. Newcomers in tech often face fierce competition, making it challenging to land their first job. However, I've personally found a psychology-based approach that has helped me and my friends secure for tech roles. Companies avoid investing in and training newcomers as they may leave once they gain experience, preferring instead to hire candidates who are already experienced and market-ready, limiting opportunities for newcomers. There is an experience paradox in the tech industry where one needs a job to gain experience, but needs experience to land a job. To overcome this challenge, I devised a simple yet effective solution based on my understanding of the psychology behind companies' reluctance to hire newbies. To make this work, I targeted startups and small companies with fewer than 20 to 50 employees, or up to 100 for more risk. I focused on reaching out to the CTO, CO, or hiring manager/recruiter to pitch myself. Here are the main steps I followed. To streamline the process of identifying a company's size and the professional roles of its employees, I utilized LinkedIn due to its easy access to relevant information. Upon identifying a target company, I employed one of two tactics, regardless of their current hiring status. I used two strategies to reach out to my target contacts, sending a connection request with a message or utilizing the LinkedIn Premium trial, which offers 5 to 10 in-mailed credits to message anyone on the platform. While the former has a character limit and may take longer to elicit a response, the latter provides a more direct and efficient means of communication. I composed a persuasive email highlighting my skill set and attached my resume or CV. In the email, I explained my experience predicament and pitched myself to the company. I made it clear that if their budget could not accommodate a full-time employee, I was open to discussing alternative arrangements. I offered to work for free if their budget did not allow for a new hire, emphasizing my desire to gain real-world experience. This offer grabbed their attention as it is uncommon to find someone so dedicated to their career advancement. Selecting a startup or small company is strategic because they are typically more flexible in terms of decision-making and more likely to accept an offer for free labor. This approach allows for an opportunity to gain real-world experience while providing companies with an extra hand at no cost to them. Smaller companies are more flexible in their decision-making process due to the absence of a lengthy hierarchical structure. This makes it easier for the CTO or HR to communicate with the CEO and reach a quick decision, which increases the likelihood of accepting an offer for free labor. Proving your worth through valuable contributions is key to transitioning from free labor to paid employment. Companies typically value effort and appreciate contributions, and it is unlikely that someone who has been actively adding value to the company will be overlooked during payment processing at the end of the month. If you don't get paid after 1 to 2 months of making contributions, it's okay to quit and find another company. You still gain valuable experience working in a team, which you can add to your resume. I hope the video provided has been helpful. Thank you for your attention. If you do not receive compensation after contributing to a company for 1 to 2 months, it may be wise to consider finding a new company. Remember, the experience gained from working as part of a team is a valuable asset that can enhance your professional portfolio. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Feel free to share your questions or recommendations in the comment box. See you in our next video.